How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back on another video here. We're back going to do an update review on the Harbor Freight hole saw bits. Let me show you here. The one that we did earlier there. And I just got done with the go-kart roll bars. And right there they are. Just wanted to show you guys. That is the bits that we're going to do an update review on. So let me get you guys off this tripod here. Okay, as you can see, these are the plugs that I was cutting out of the pipe for the go-kart roll bar. And you can see I cut quite a few of these. And this bit is still in the drill press. This is the bit I used, and it's the only one that's missing out of there. And to be honest with you, I literally took the center bit out, and I was just using this piece here, and it was cutting them just fine. And as you can see, there's no hole through the center of this one, but there is one through this one. And that's with leaving the drill bit in. And this is with the drill bit out. And the reason why I took the drill bit out is because I wanted to drill the holes for the front piece at an angle. So I had to pick it up in the air, just a little bit of an angle in my press, to be able to drill that hole straight so I could make a better fit. But I cut quite a few holes with this thing, and it's still working just fine. I want to show you guys the bit itself. Let me get a rag here. Just so you guys know, so you can look at the teeth on this thing and see that they're actually still razor sharp. And you could see the little carbide tips on them now, on those. And not one of them teeth are broke off or damaged. I can't believe it. Oh, I think this thing did really good. Really, really well. For a Harbor Freight drill, honestly, I didn't think it would have been that good. But this is the only one I used out of the box. So I really think that they were worth the money that I paid for them. Now, I can't speak for everybody. I don't know what you're drilling through, but I thought that the steel was pretty hard to drill through. So I was thinking, you know, will it do it or will it not? And I figured $24. I thought that was pretty cheap. And I know some of you guys out there, you know, we're downing them, but I really can't down these bits. And now, I'm not one for lying to anybody. I'm not going to sit here and tell you these are good bits and they're not good bits. Nobody paid me to do this review. I'm not getting anything out of this but holes, and I spent my money to drill my holes. So I got everything back in its case, and we'll put it away for the next job, whatever that may be. But as far as the set of hole saws from Harbor Freight, this set here worked out really good for me. So I'm not telling anybody to go out and buy these. You buy them basically at your own risk. I'm just telling you, I'm using them and they're working fine, as you can see throughout the video. And if you see, when I built the roll bars for the go-kart, I was still using that bit to cut all my metal. Well, if you would ask me if I would buy these again, yeah, I'd buy them again in a heartbeat. It did the job that I wanted to do. I drilled approximately 10 to 11 holes with that bit, and it's still drilling just fine. And a lot of them, like I showed you, I wasn't even using the center drill bit. I was just using the big bit itself and drilling down through there, taking my time, adding oil, plenty of oil. Somebody asked me what type of oil I'm using. I'm just using old motor oil. It's not old motor oil, it's new motor oil, but it's been around here for a while, so I've been using it in my oil gun. I'm just using a regular oil. Not using a cutting oil or anything like that, which that would probably even make the bit last a lot longer if I was using cutting oil. But I don't have any cutting oil at the time, so we're just using what we have on hand. Definitely a good set. To me, they've been a real good set. You guys see it. I tried to show you everything I possibly can about it. And anytime I do a review, I'm not going to lie to you. Just so somebody gives me something or so I can gain something from it. I'm not going to lie to you for that. These were not given to me. I have no deals on this. I just went and bought them, did a review, tried to do an honest review on it. So give them a thumbs up. I'd say go get a set. If you're not got a big business, get you a set. Try them out around the house. I think they work fine. So I'd like to tell everybody thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment if you'd like. Till next time.